uh, in order wise today I should have to explain about an operators, but today I will about separators because the operators topic is very big topic. I need at least 2 3 4 videos for an operator explain about the separators. So just open my document, then I will show you easily what is meant by separator, how it will be work and everything. So separators is a very simple topic guys in Java. So coming to a Java separators, what is meant by Java separator guys? A separator is a symbol used in a Java to separate different parts of a Java program. What is okay in simple words I will say guys, separator is help Java to understand where one part of the program and ends and another part of the program is begins, means where our program is ending and where our program is beginning, I mean starting, and it will be divided into a separate part guys. If you're writing in a program, that program is divided into a separate parts by using a separators. That is only separators guys. Okay, you're writing a big program and that big block of program is divided into some separate and specific block guys. That blocks and that separation is done by the separators. That is mean by a separator guys. For example, coming to here, int a is equal to 10. After 10 we are writing in a semicolon guys. After 10 we are writing in a semicolon. So here semicolon tells the Java that the statement is completed. What semicolon says guys? Here the statement is ended. This line of code is done, it is ended. Means when you are writing an English sentence, in at the end of that one you will keep a full stop now guys. Like that only in Java also, when the statement is ended you will keep that into a semicolon. So here the semicolon says, tells Java that is the statement is completed. So going to another example guys, here I am writing int, this is an array symbol guys, and numbers is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. So here if you observe, this square braces is also a separator, and this open curly braces and this close curly braces is also a separator, and this comma guys, 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 30 after that semicolon, this everything is in a separator guys. Here the open curly braces and close curly braces defines a group of variables and the separators in a individual values. It is saying, this open and curly braces is saying these numbers are belong to a separate group. So what it is saying? It is saying these numbers are belong to a separate group. So how many separators are there in Java guys? How many separators are there in Java? In Java we have 10 separators. Okay, what is, so this is a separator symbols guys. These all are separator symbols. Okay, these all are separator symbols guys, and this is the name of a separator and where we use and meaning of using guys. Okay, this parenthesis, this is in a symbol guys. This symbol, this is a symbol, so this symbol name is parenthesis. Where we are using this parenthesis guys in Java? When we are writing in a method and conditions and expressions, in that place you will use this parenthesis. Okay, and the second one, this symbol we called in Java, it is a braces. So where will you use guys? Where you are using this means block of code and classes. It when it comes to methods also you will use guys. After coming to this third symbol, this is a brackets. This is in a bracket symbols where you will use in a arrays. So see here guys, here int, this is an array symbol I told you, int array numbers is equal to 10 20 30. When it is, where you will use this symbol? In arrays. After that semicolon guys. Semicolon in everyday program you always see. When I am writing in a printing statement, after that I always use a semicolon because the statement is ended. And when I am declaring int a is equal to 20, int age is equal to 25, that time also I am keeping last, at the last semicolon. It means the semicolon means ended of a statement. Comma means you already know. However you are using English to when you are writing in multiple words, to separate them you are using comma. The same way exactly the same way you are using comma in Java also. Separate the values, separate the variables. In English we have words, in Java we have values and variables. To separate the values and variables, you will use the comma, guys, dot. It is a period or dot, guys. To where you will use access the members, you want where you will use access the members. And this what this three dots, this three dots we called in Java ellipse. Okay, this where you will use variable arguments. Okay, after that the symbol is at the rate. Where will you use? It is used in annotations. Where will you use, guys? You will use this in annotations. Okay, and after this double what this double colon, where will you use, guys? You will use this double colon in methods and constructor references, and this single colon you will use in a cases and enhanced for and ternary operator. Okay, explain this 10 separators in detail and then you will understand. Okay, so first one, guys, parentheses are mainly used within methods or conditions and expressions. What we are learning, parentheses are mainly used to within methods, conditions and expressions. So see, guys, here you are writing, this is in a simple Java code. You all people all know public static void main method, after that system.out.println hello. So look at here, this string arguments we are writing this parenthesis. The parenthesis contains the method parameters. This is called method parameter, guys. Okay, what is this? This is called a method parameter. After that, when you are writing system.out.println, so you are writing here also parenthesis, guys. After println you are keeping open braces and you are keeping end braces here. This is also a parenthesis, guys. Where you will use, it is used to pass an arguments to a method, guys. So println is in a method, guys. You already know println is in a method. Inside in a println, you wanted to write, you wanted to print something, you wanted to write something. That time in technically we use pass an arguments inside in a method. Means you are writing something inside in a println, that is to pass an argument into a method. That time also you will use this parenthesis. After that you will use this parenthesis in a conditional statements, guys. You wanted to print something. That time you are writing if age is greater than 18. See, guys, what the age is greater than 18, where we are writing inside a parenthesis, guys. We are writing inside a parenthesis. Here is the open braces, here is the closest braces. So after that you are printing the system.out.println. Yes, this is eligible for voting. You are eligible to create an Instagram account. So that one also you are writing inside a parenthesis. Okay, so the condition is placed inside a parenthesis. So age greater than or equal to 18, this is a condition, guys. So methods, conditions and expression. So first one is in a parenthesis contains a method parameters. In the second example, we are used to pass an arguments to a method. In third one, in condition is placed inside a method. After that, coming to the second one, curly braces, guys. Where will you use this curly braces are used to define a block of code, guys. I always told you, when the curly braces is open and the curly braces is closed, inside that curly braces what you are writing, that whole thing is called as a block of code. So here my class is open, public class demo, and here my curly braces is open, and for this curly braces I am closing here, guys. This is the curly braces is closed, and inside when you are creating in a class, is enough to run the program? No. When you are creating in a class, this is not enough to run your code. For running your code you need a main method, public static void main. So after this main method is opened here and it is closed here. Inside that one you are writing something, println hello. Okay, you are writing something, println hello. Okay, so this here open parenthesis, inside you are writing something and you are closing. So this is defines in a block of code. What is this? You can write anything, guys. It's not only println something, you can write anything. But if the code is an inside open parenthesis and close parenthesis, then it is called an define a block of code, you called that is a block of code. So there are commonly uses for classes, methods, if else, and looping and other code blocks. Okay, so I already explained what is class and method. So this is a class, here demo class is opening and closing, and this is a main method, this is also method, here opening and closing. And coming to an if else and loops and other codes. So see guys, if see here, after parenthesis you are opening this code, because when you are writing in a condition, if a condition is true, you wanted to say something to the user, and you wanted to say, and you wanted to give some message to who are the using your code. So that time, if the condition is true, I wanted to say something, okay, 10 is greater than 5. So that time you wanted to print something. For that one you will use the here opening and closing. Okay, and square braces guys, I already told you where we are mostly use this square braces for an arrays guys. Square braces are mainly used within arrays. So int array, numbers is equal to 10, 20, 30. Okay, so in arrays you will use this square braces symbol guys. Okay, when our topic is about array, you will in detail know about array, and as of now don't worry, just remember this symbol and we are using it. We also use this square braces to access an array elements. Okay, that's it guys as of now. So semicolon guys, after one semicolon is then one of the most important separator in a Java guys, because for every statement we should have to end up that statement, we will use definitely semicolon. It's generally used to indicate the end of a statement. What will it say? End of a statement means your statement is ended, your line of code is ended here. Int a is equal to 10 semicolon, int b is equal to 20 semicolon means this line is ended here and this line is ended here. And you are writing printing statement also, for that also you will keep a semicolon, means it means your line of your statement is ended here. Okay, for that one you will use semicolon. Without the semicolon, if you are writing int 10 is equal to int a is equal to 10, Java will produce a compile time error guys. Okay, Java will produce a compile time error, because in English if you are writing, you think like you are writing in some sentence without keeping full stop, and you are continue with some other sentence, then who are reading that book, or who are like wanted to read that book, the people will understand what you wanted to say, and where it is stopped and where it is started again. So the people will confuse now, like that only compiler also confused, and it will be given error to you. So for that's the reason int a is equal to 10, it will give an error. So to after, you should always remember when your statement is ended, you should have to keep semicolon. Okay, and after that coming to a comma guys, the comma is used to separate multiple items guys. The comma is used to separate multiple items, because in English also if you have if you are writing in a list of words that is belongs to the same group or whatever it group, you wanted to separate them 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma, you will write like that only na. So same in Java also, if in a multiple words are there, we will use like that only. Enter 10 comma, int a is equal to 10 comma, b is equal to 20 comma, c is equal to 30, because here the statement is ended guys, that's why we kept it as a semicolon. And if you are coming, because these all are belong to an int type. Okay, this 10 20 30, these data types are belong to an int type. Okay, that's why we are not declaring every time int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20, int c is equal to 30. So for declaring every time, just for one time we are writing int, and after that this all numbers are belong to one of category, that one category is int. Okay, instead of writing this all means a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 30, we are directly writing int a. Okay, int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, c is equal to 30. Okay, so after that coming to this one, dot guys, dot. The dot is used to access the members and the classes or objects such as methods and fields. So see, if you're seeing this, the first day of code and the first example also I told dot is a separator. So what we are writing as system dot out dot println and hello. See, if you observe system dot out dot, okay, here the system dot out dot println means the dot connects the difference methods, guys, because I already told you in the first class the system is in a predefined class in a Java, so it is accessing the different members, guys. It is accessing the members because system is in a class, out is used to print giving us some output, println is in a method, okay. For different kinds of member it is accessing to an one together. And if you are writing like this, string name is equal to Java, so I already told you about string data type. If you are writing anything in a double quotes, that is belongs to a string, so string name is equal to Java. So if you are writing in a Java, guys, if you wanted to know how much length it is taken, so you will write what is the variable name and dot length, so name dot length, so it will be give the length, okay. After that, ellipses. Ellipse, as of now, as a beginner you don't use this ellipse more, but in future you will use, so I will explain ellipse. This three dot is called ellipse, guys. These three dots are called an ellipse. So ellipses, so they are mainly used to an variable arguments, okay. So if you are writing public static void add, it is in a method name, guys. Add is in a method name. Int this three dots numbers, so for int number and numbers, this is in a for each loop, guys. Upcoming videos you will understand. So I'm printing this number, guys, okay. So what is this use of this three dot means? You can access any number of integers at a time. Now we can pass any number of integers, means you are not declaring here. In English, when the sentence is completed, we will keep three dot now, guys, means it is not ended here, there is something there, it is too big, so I am not declaring here, so that's why we are keeping three dots. etc, after that we will keep three dots now, guys. In that same in Java also, if we keep three dots, it is not ended here, we can extend that into anywhere, means add 10 20, you can add like 10 20 30, you can add 10 20 30 40 50 60 70, it is endless. So that one you will use this ellipses. So as of now you are not used too much this one. And coming to an at the rate sign, so this is a symbol used for an annotations, guys. The annotations topic will come for you when you learn about Spring and Spring Boot, and you will also see one of annotation that will be mostly repeated in core Java. It is an at the rate override. So when I will explain core Java in detail, that time you will understand what is this at the rate override. And as of now you just remember this at the rate symbol is used for an annotations, okay. You have probably already seen this in a Spring Boot, you will see this all annotations in a Spring Boot, but this at the rate override annotation you will also see in a core Java, guys. At the rate override, at the rate rest controller, at the rate Spring Boot application, okay. Remaining at the rate override, remaining this all you will see into an Spring Boot, guys, okay. As of now don't worry, just remember at the rate is a separator, okay, separator in Java. So after that, double colon, guys. Double colon is called as a method reference variable. Double colon, it is called as a method reference variable. It is used to refer to a method or constructor without calling it immediately. So it is separator in Java 8 features, guys. When you are studying about Java 8 features, that time only you will use. So as of now just remember it is used for a method reference operator, means system dot out dot you are writing this double colon, and after that you are writing println. So see, I am writing this class and arrays dot as list, so Java Python SQL, so dot for each system dot out dot println. So what will be it give output? Java, Python and SQL. So see, it is a method reference, okay. It is a method reference used this is used in a constructor references, and mainly you will use this in a Java 8, and when it's the topic is coming about the lambda expressions and streams, that place you will use, don't worry. And coming to the next separator, colon guys. The colon has several users in a Java. So the string result, it is almost mainly used in a ternary operator. See this statement guys, int age is equal to 20. See, int age is equal to 20, then I am writing string result age is greater than or equal to 18 and question mark, it is an adult, and after that I am writing this and I am writing minor. Okay, so for means if it is untrue, this will be print, and if it is a false, the minor will be print. So the most we will use this colon symbol for an ternary operator. Okay, and after that we will use this colon in a switch case guys. Switch case 1, you are using a ternary operator here. See, case 1 colon, and after that if you are writing case 2 colon, and moreover guys, and when you are using for each loop, remember this, when you are using a for each loop, that time also you will use this colon separator, but as of now you don't know what is for each loop. Colon guys, here see, for int number and colon numbers. Okay, this is called for each loop guys, this is only called for each loop. And system.out.println number, so this is only for each loop. Here you are after number you are using colon guys. Okay, so see guys, here I am giving one diagram to you. See, Java separators. Okay, Java separators. One is parenthesis guys, the symbol is used, parenthesis is a braces, parenthesis, after that curly braces, it is also one separator, after that brackets guys, after that semicolon, after that column, after that dot and ellipsis, after that annotation, and double colon and colon. So these are the 10 separators in Java: parenthesis, braces, brackets, semicolon, colon, dot, ellipsis, and annotation, and double colon and colon guys. Okay, are you people understand what is meant by separator? Separator is used to separate and a different code and methods or classes, anything guys, it is used to identify to separating something in a Java. Okay, so what is meant by separator guys? Okay, separator help to Java understand where one part of the program is ended, means where our program is ended, and again where our program is started. Okay, it is tell to an Java where our program is ended and where our program is begins. Okay, as of now you people understand what is meant by separator. Separator is a symbol which is used to separate the different parts of program. Okay, and how many separators are there in Java? We have 10 separators are there in a Java. Open your Eclipse guys, and open your package hello, and click on that one, and after that click on new, and after click on new, create a class. So as of now what we are discussing, we are discussing separators, so I can keep my class name is also a separators. Separators demo. So guys, you got your class separators demo. So as of now in this program, what is separator guys? As of now in this program, what is separator? See, in upside class package hello, after this hello you are seeing able to see the semicolon. Semicolon is a separator. After public class separator demo, public class separator demo, in separator demo you are able to see this open braces and your closing braces. This is also a separator. Then to execute any program we need what guys? We need main method. In you are writing this parenthesis, this braces, and inside also you will write this uh, brackets. This is also separator, and this open and closed curly braces is also in a separator. So how many separators we are discussed, guys? Parenthesis. How parenthesis symbol, guys? This is only na. This double slash is in a single comment in Java, guys. Okay, I'm writing int a is equal to 10, guys. After that I'm writing int b is equal to 20, guys. Okay, after that I am writing an example for braces, guys. After that I am writing example for the braces. What is the braces symbol, guys? This. Okay, so I am writing here if I'm writing a less than b, guys. A less than b, then I'm opening my braces. In that braces I am printing something, guys. I wanted to print something. Here I am writing a is less than b. If the statement is true, I wanted to so print something now, guys. So that's the reason I'm writing here when a printing statement a is smaller. Okay, done. A is smaller. A is if less than b though. So the what is mean? The a is smaller. So I'm printing here printing statement. So after that the coming to we are writing an brackets, guys. Brackets. Okay, what is meant by brackets, guys? We are like mostly used into this brackets in arrays, guys, where we use this in a arrays. So is equal to I'm writing here 10 comma, if we have multiple of numbers, what can we use, what separator we use comma separator. After that write semicolon, guys, because this statement is ended here. And after that we are talking about an column, guys. Okay, for comma. Okay, in this example you already getting in a comma, and also I'm writing again. So now comma symbol is comma. So your writes is out. So I want to get in a number, so I am writing numbers. So numbers is 0. Okay, the number is 0. And after that what we have, guys? We have dot. Okay, so what you will write in to get in a dot? You already know. I'm directly writing here hello. I'm writing directly here hello dot. I'm using length, guys. Length. Okay, I'm using a length is a method. So by that you will get a length. Okay, and after that I'm writing colon, guys. I'm writing colon. Okay, so for writing colon I'm taking in a for loop for int number colon and numbers, then open parenthesis. After that you are writing some printing statement. In that you are printing that numbers, guys, not numbers only. You should have to write number, guys, because this reference variable we are printing here number. So look at here carefully, guys. Don't give the same name to this and this. So here int number, and after that colon you should write numbers or something, anything, but don't keep same name. Here I'm writing number and here I'm writing numbers, and after that you should have to print println. You should have to access this number, guys. So write here number. Okay, guys, save this program, and run this code, guys. Run this code and you will. Are you people able to see, guys? Here I am using a parenthesis code. So int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20, but I am I'm not getting any 10 and 20 result because I'm not printing. So after that, this parenthesis code is coming as, see here I'm using this parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis only I'm writing now guys, a less than b. This parenthesis is an operator. So here we came parenthesis code and we also came braces code. After this parenthesis, what we written? Brackets guys, open curly braces and close curly braces. Inside we are printing something, println. So a is an smaller guys. So a is 10 and b is 20. So a is smaller than 20. Yes, because a is 10, 10 is smaller than 20. So we are getting output as an a is smaller. After that, see guys, this brackets code, see I am writing int numbers is equal to 10, 20, 30. Okay, inside I am writing 10, 20, 30. I want to have one number. When you are writing array, this 10 is equal, this 10 index value is 0, 20 index value is 1, this 30 index value is 2. So the number is starting from 0, 1, 2. If you have 3 numbers, what you will get? 0, 1, 2. So here I am writing println number, println the number is 0. So inside in 0 plus what will be there? 10 guys. So you are getting is output as a 10. Okay, after that you are writing system.out.println dot. You are writing dot guys. Hello dot length. So inside hello, how many letters are there guys? H is 1, hello is 2. LLO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 letters are there. So that's why we are getting that output is an 5 guys. Inside hello we have 5 letters. So we are getting output as an 5 guys. After that, numbers. Number we are writing that for each loop guys here. So okay, numbers where we are writing this numbers. See here guys, here is the numbers. So this int numbers is equal to 10, 20, 30 now guys. So we are printing that numbers guys. We are taking that numbers and we are printing here. So numbers. So what are the numbers guys? Inside an array what we are storing inside a numbers 10, 20, 30. So output is 10, 20, 30. So are you people understand where will we use parenthesis, braces and semicolon, dot, colon? So these are all about the separators guys. Okay, you should use this code and get the output, because to become a good developer execution is more important. Okay, and theory also is important, but some theory is important, more execution is important. Okay, practice code, and if you have any doubt, comment me and I will solve your doubt. And thank you guys, we will meet on next video. Bye.